So far guys, ang ilang cinnamon o ang ilang chocolate cake, lami kayo. Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today, nandito na naman tayo sa isang, food trips. It's the second anniversary of Candiez located sa Luyo sa Maayo Hotel here at Mandaue City. So, super near sa, airport. Ang cute naman ito. Pakita ko nga sa inyo. Oh! Ganon. So guys, I'm here at Candiez and super excited kasi first time ko dito. Second year na nila anniversary but then first time kong napunta rito. Ganon. So, let's enjoy their food.
Created us even in our mother's womb. Father God, during those 9 months.
Welcome to Candiez Cafe!
Right now, okay, nag-try ko sa ilang pasta. Try. Dili kay ko spaghetti eater guys, but then try ko siya spaghetti. Yan na si Sir Herbert nga, lami daw ilang pasta niya. Sa may nakalain niya. So far guys, ang ilang cinnamon o ang ilang chocolate cake, lami kayo. Kalami na pa dyan. Chocolate.